Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Today I'll show you how to sign up for Deepseek.com. Whether you are new to Deepseek or looking to get started with your YouTube projects, I've got you covered. So let's get started with the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Deepseek website by typing deepseek.com in your address bar. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign up button. After clicking the sign up button, you'll be directed to the registration page where you'll create your new account. Now on the sign up page, you'll need to provide a few details to create your account. Start by entering your email address. Make sure it's the one you have access to, as you might need to verify later. Next, choose a strong password for your account. Make sure it's something secure and ideally mix up of uppercase letters, numbers and symbols to make it extra strong. Once you have filled in your email and password, look for the additional fields like confirm your password again. Now click on send code. After that, click on I confirm terms of use and privacy policy. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and click on the sign up button to proceed. And that's it, you have successfully signed up on Deepseek.com. You are now ready to explore everything the platform has to offer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.